There's no Wi-Fi in this town, so we just set up a table outside of the library to use their Wi-Fi.
Picnic blankets are more comfortable.
So, for today's adventure, we're in Crested View, Colorado. And we're at this place called Kebler Pass, which is a legendary location for autumn leaves. But first, we need to get a little bit of editing done, and we gotta wait till sunset because we got like all day right now to figure out what to do. All right, my work here is done.
What time is it?
What time?
Mm-hmm.
Chocolate time?
Oh my god. Been trying to eat healthier lately, so I got a caramel apple. I found Trump eating ice cream. So now that we're full, got our lunch in for the day, we're gonna head over to the Aspens. Oh my god. We're going into it, guys. This pass is called Kebler Pass. It's basically the mecca of yellow fall leaves in Colorado. My buddy actually sent us this map here, and as you can see, the lower you get in Colorado, the later in the season the leaves are still yellow and beautiful. So that's where we are. We're right down here in Crested View. Whoa. All right, first stop. I don't know where we are. We're just stopping somewhere. Oh my god, look at this leaf. It's so perfect. I'm about to start crying right now. This is so goddamn beautiful. This is my first fall season going out and shooting photography, believe it or not. So we got to this point where we're just walking down the side of the road because everything's beautiful.
This is what it's really like to be an influencer. Just spinning in circles, taking photos.
That one's cute. And that one's cute.
Here's her Instagram handle, go follow her. She's getting good at photography.
So a fun fact about aspens is that they're interconnected. So if you see this like entire forest here, it's very likely that this is all one organism and they're all connected via the roots on the bottom. They're huge.
All right, that's where we're gonna camp for the night. How are they?
Amazing. Because I made them.
All right, folks, that's all we got for you today. Thank you for watching. Make sure you hit that sub button. Trying to get to 5K. That's my second goal. I'm gonna go ahead and kick Haley's ass at this dope ass game of Villainous.
What do you have in your mouth?
Tic tac.
A dick tack?
Tic tac.